Hi there, Sydney Brown here with the Writing and Publishing for Beginners channel. Today we're going to talk about the importance of a blog for writers. You know, the important question that everybody needs to know is, do I need a blog if I'm a writer? One of the things that you should ask yourself, in this digital age, writers often wonder, is there a reason to have a blog, or, does, Amazon do all the marketing for me? Why do I need a blog? But what we're going to delve into here in this video is talk about, the pros and the cons of blogging and explore how a blog can help you grow as a writer, build an online presence, and connect you to your readers. So let's dive right in and discover if a blog is a right choice for you. So the top 10 benefits of blogging for writers. 1, showcase your writing skills. Obviously, if you're a writer and they want to get to know you, you're able to show them, I can write here, look, and I know I'm kind of mocking it a little bit, but at the same time, it really is the proof that you're a writer. So it'll show them your voice, your skills. It'll show, do they vibe with you? And that's something that's important. And not just readers are following you, possibly. You may find that agents or publishers are also following your blog. So keep that in mind. Number 2, it helps you build an online presence. Having a blog will help you establish your personal brand, your build an online presence, which is obviously essential to promoting your work and connecting you with readers. Don't underestimate the value of that connection. Number 3, develop your writing skills. Now, regular blogging encourages you to practice your writing, obviously, and to refine your voice, to show, not just to improve yourself, but to show how you're developing as well. It's gives you the opportunity to experiment with different styles or genres too. Number 4, connect with readers. Now, this is absolutely one of the best reasons to have a blog. A blog allows you to interact with your readers through comments or emails, and it helps you develop a loyal audience. If you have comments turned on your blog, now you do want to be able to monitor them, obviously, because if trolls are leaving behind little gifts for you, you want to be able to get rid of that. But the two-way communication with your readers is something that is really important to people in today's world of, we want the authentic. Number 5, generate income. Now, monetizing your blog is possible through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content to earn additional income alongside your writing career. In fact, you might find that you make more from those other ways of monetizing than you do from your book profits and royalties themselves. Number 6, create a portfolio. A blog serves as, a portfolio of your work. It makes it easy for potential clients, publishers, or agents to review your writing style. Number 7, networking opportunities. So blogging can create connections with fellow writers, industry professionals, or influencers, expanding that network that you're building, and creates an opportunity for collaboration, joint ventures, anthology projects. All of these things can come from just having a presence out there. So absolutely, the network opportunities that's reason enough by itself, in my opinion, to have a blog. Number 8, boost creativity. You know, the process of brainstorming and researching, writing your blog post can stimulate your creativity, and it generates ideas for future projects. So it's like I don't know if you find this to be the case with you. I obviously do, but it's kind of like you're writing this story, this book, and in doing that, when you're doing a blog post about something, you're like, oh my gosh, I should do that. And so then you have to stop and write down, you know, this idea for another book. And then you type a little bit more. And then you're like, oh man, I need to do this. So by the time you've done one blog post, you may have the ideas for 3 or 4 more stories to write after that. Your creativity just flows once you start writing. And if you're doing a blog post, it's just like a writing prompt. You know, it will create that creativity. Number 9, improve SEO. Now, a well-maintained blog with regular high quality content can improve your website's search engine rankings, making it easier for readers to discover your work and you. Don't ever learn to utilize keywords. I'll stop there for now. We'll talk more about it in another video, but improving your SEO is very important. Number 10, establish authority. By sharing valuable information or insights on specific topics or in your genre, you can position yourself as an expert in that niche or genre. All right, guys, that is the top 10 on the benefits of blogging for writers. Stay tuned and we'll go into a little bit more about the benefits of blogging.